And now where did it move to? Are you faced the same direction that you were before?
No.
Which direction are you faced now, Julia? This way. Okay. So the word this week, Frederick, that I'm thinking of, it has 3 letters, and it rhymes with stay. Give me a thumbs up if you know it. So the word I'm thinking of, it has 3 letters, and it rhymes with stay.
Day.
What is it?
Day.
Can we clap cheer it? And then at the end we'll put our hands up like this to say day, because that's our word, Malik. So we're going to clap it out and then put our hands up. Are you ready? Eduardo, I need you sitting so that I know that you can share with us. D-A-Y, day. And see if you can come up with any more names for the number 7. Top.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I see what you're trying to do.
So, Armani, can I borrow yours? So, Damien, we're just drawing, we're not writing. We're going to draw the whole pigeon on this paper. So this is Armani's circle, and here's her name, so you can see that's a pretty good size for the circle. So when you've gotten that circle drawn, can I see a thumb on top of your head so I know we can go on to step 2? I know the glue table is ready. You might want to put it in the middle so that you can draw the pigeon around it. All right, first grade, put your eyes up on the Elmo for step 2. Can you step over there? All right, you should see her equation up here. She wrote, will you read it for us, Brianna? 1 plus 5. Is that the same as 6? Does that match my counters? Does it match? Is that what you talked about with your buddy? Stand up straight. I see lots of people making the Me Too sign. I see a couple thumbs. I see a couple people not doing anything, but I gotta see your brains on. Jumani's giving me a thumb and a Me Too sign, so I know she talked about it with her buddy, and I'm right. Brianna, very nice. I'm so glad that you talked to your buddy about this. Let's give Brianna a silent cheer. Are you ready? Silent cheer for Brianna. What's the easiest way for me to count 2 nickels and 1 penny? Because that's confusing. We can't count them by 5s. We can't just count them by 1s. Because if I went 5, 10, 15, this is not 15 cents. So what we need to do, Gabriel, do you have an idea? Can we count nickels by 2s though if they're worth 5 cents? It's really tricky. I want you to think for a second. How can we figure out how much money we have here? We want to fill in how much cents this is worth. But we need to figure out the number for this money. All right, Antonio, don't tell me the answer. Are you ready? I want you to tell me how we're going to figure it out. Can you tell me how we can figure it out?
Just count by 5 and then add 1 more.
So count by 5s and add 1 more. All right, I need your eyes on my marker because I'm going to write this down when we do it. So when I write the number, you're going to say the number. So what are you going to do when I write the number? What are you going to do, Victor? What are you going to do, Kelty? What are you going to do, Eduardo?
Say the number.
All right, are you ready?
5,
10. But then can I write 15 there, Antonio?
1.
No, why not?
Because that's a penny.
Because that's a penny. So 5,